Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, as 80% of you are not subscribed. Hopefully that changes today. And don't forget to click the bell notification anytime you want to get notified when I go live. All right, today we have a Basil Garlic BLT. And it's really simple to do. As you can see here in my deli container, I have 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and I added 2 teaspoons of basil pesto. And then we want to follow that up with 1 clove of minced garlic. And then we grab our little tiny whisk and whisk this around and pop it in the fridge and leave it there for, I don't know, about an hour, at least half an hour. And this is pretty much all the cooking we need to do. The rest of this is just making a sandwich. Let's go. Alrighty, I've got 2 pieces of nicely toasted sourdough bread. Then we're going to take a generous amount of that basil garlic mayo we made. And you want to put a generous amount on each slice of bread. And then we want to add some romaine lettuce. How I got it to lay flat like that is basically I just broke its spine. Then we want to add some beefsteak tomatoes, or hothouse tomatoes, whatever they're called in your region of the country. And don't forget to salt and pepper your tomatoes. Then, of course, we want to add some bacon. How I made the bacon was I basically just baked it in the oven. You can certainly fry it if you want. And then we want to add some basil leaves. Don't worry, I'll remove that stem. And then just put the sandwich together. And that's it. A basil garlic BLT. Done.